Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl A, and we're about to do one of my favorite Aliexpress vendors today, which is Unice Hair. Y'all already know what I say about Unice Hair, girl. Now y'all see this pre-everything wig, y'all. Don't act like y'all don't see that the lace been cut, the knots been bleached, the hair's been pre-styled, the hairline's been thinned out. Girl, listen, this is a pre-everything wig. Y'all know what pre-everything means. It's pre-everything. Everything is done for you. Okay. Now listen, I do love a good middle part once in a while, girl. But because my head is so long, I prefer to swoop it to the side, baby. Yes. And this 7 by 5 inch is definitely giving enough parting space for a C curved part. Okay. Now with this wax stick, it will hold your hairs down so that way you can get ready to use your hot comb and sleek and slick everything down. Now y'all know I love Unice Hair. These are the queen and kings of affordable wigs on Amazon. Unice Hair will definitely have you looking your best. Their wigs are affordable. Their wigs will have you looking glammed out, and they have everything for you. They give you a pre-everything wig. Some of them come with drawstrings. Some of them come with fake scalp. Girl, listen, when I tell you Unice, you nice, okay? Now this one right here is a Yaki Straight unit. Super long, 24 inches, 150% in density. And she's just lovely. The knots have been bleached for me, but because I want it on the side, I definitely have to get the hair situated. So that is why I'm being extra rough with my hot comb. And also, it's speeded up a little bit too, so it's definitely going to go faster. But trust me when I tell you, the hair is amazing. It's very easy to style. I love the fact that if you really want to wear an easy unit, you can do so. Now I just am going to do one layer only of my Pump It Up hairspray. Hairspray, it will last forever. It will hold it on for the whole entire day. But if you want like a few days wear, then you could put like a little bit more hairspray. But because I only wanted to lay flat for this particular video, only one layer of hairspray is going to do, and I don't really like that much hairspray. Now, I'm just going to thin it out just a little bit, the hairline, and also going to give me some of those sideburns. Now, this is 7 by 5, baby, and she's 24 inches in voluptuousness. Now, I'm going to be using my Got To Be styling mousse because I did tell you guys in a recent video, I'm going to use up every bit of beauty product that I have in my collection before I try not to buy too many items and products that I don't really need. So this Got To Be styling mousse is one of them. Brand new. I think I bought about 10 cans when they were at the Dollar Tree a couple of years ago. Now, as I was saying, Unice has some really amazing wigs. They're very affordable. Some of them have fake scalp. Some of them have drawstrings. Either way, they're all very affordable. They are on Amazon. They're also on Aliexpress. They also have their own website. Unice Hair is coming through for everybody, and I will highly recommend their units. Now, we are definitely going to get to styling this unit because the hair is pretty amazing, and I love yaki texture hair. Plus, I love to put a curl in it. So let's get to styling this. And if you're wondering about this Pump It Up hairspray, girl, I've had this Pump It Up hairspray for at least, that bottle is at least 7 years old. Girl, I keep hold of stuff. But let's just get into the styling, and I'll definitely link all the information for Unice down below so that way you can slay all day on a budget.
Mayday, Mayday, is there anybody who can help me, help me? I don't think my heart is working lately, lately. I can hear it calling for you, yeah. You show me beauty and life. You put me first all the time. No wonder I'm on a high when I'm with you, when I'm with you. Oh yeah, you like the things that I like. If you don't know, you always give it a try. No one can blame me for crying when I'm without you, when I'm without you, yeah. Know you got dreams of your own, sure you got places to go, but I just want you alone. Oh yeah, yeah. I I know it's hard to be you, all the things you need to do, but baby, it's hard for me too. Oh yeah. Mayday, mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately. I can hear it calling for you. Mayday, mayday, tell me you'll come home and be my baby. I've been losing sleep, I'm going crazy. Only you could save me. Only thing I need is your love. You say I'm one of a kind. You know, you ain't never lied. Fact is, you're one of one yourself. Cause you can love me like no one else. Don't get up and leave me hanging.
Oh, look at how this hair came out. She came out extra cute. Cutie patootie. I love a good easy wig where you don't really have to do much. You could have definitely wore her straight and sleek like the way she came. But I just figured because she's Yaki texture, I wanted to show you guys how well she curls. Now listen when I tell you, your curls can be even tighter than this. If you use pin curls and keep them held overnight, the curls will be even tighter. So this hair does hold a good curl. Plus, I love the density, the length. It just looks so natural, okay? Make sure you check out Unice Hair. I'll definitely link everything down below for them. Let me know what you think, girl. I will leave everything in the description box. But make sure you share this video, rate, comment, and subscribe. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.